Hello beautiful people, happy today. It is 2 weeks before Valentine's Day and I wanted to come on board and do a little video for you guys of what I've been creating for Valentine's Day, and I'm so excited. I am in Vancouver, so it's always nice to be here and do some collaboration with some amazing friends and local people. And I'm doing a pop-up shop with a lovely store in North Vancouver at Frankie & Co. on the 13th and 14th. So please, if you're in town, pop in and visit, say hi. And I'm gonna get to the setting that I've set up and all the little details that I've used and certain things that I wanted to do something different than the usual that I see out there. I was researching on Pinterest for Valentine's Day and I was like, everything is obviously similar color theme, the pinks and the whites and the reds, but all the backgrounds were white or pink, which is awesome. And I just thought, what if I do something a little different and bring that contrast of the black. As you can see, this is a sort of like a rolly paper and I've used as a backdrop. And I got these cute little heart stickers from dollar store and I just made this backdrop. So that was the main point for what I wanted to create, the backdrop. And everything else was just putting stuff through and then take it out and then just play and see what works and what doesn't. I've been collaborating with a few different people, with Frankie & Co. Obviously the balloons they made, the garland, the plates and whatnot is also from Frankie & Co. from 2 different companies, Mary and another one that I will just link in the bio. I've gotten this beautiful heart-shaped cake from Mine Heart and these lovely stair sticks. I don't know if you guys remember from my previous videos, they're from my little brand, from my love brand, We Are Love & Co. I love them. Obviously I make the flowers, the beautiful cookies. Look at these, so cute. They are from a local store called Hello Hoopla, and the lovely macarons are, as always, from Soiree on Pender Street in Vancouver from my lovely friend Shop Now. Okay, I'm not going to talk too much. I'm going to hold the camera and I'm going to speak through as I show you the details on this table. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, hello again. Okay, so I wanted to set up a few things on the bottom where I have my setting. Just for photo purposes, some cute little things. Balloons, look how beautiful are they? The confetti ones from Frankie & Co. Okay, look at this. How exciting. So I found this beautiful hexagon plates that was just regular and you would just buy them, but I wanted to mix them with this heart. I didn't want to go too much of the heartsy because I knew I have a lot of Valentine stuff. And then I wanted to play with these cookies because they were just too perfect, and I just thought, you know, why not placing them into the plates and using them differently. As I told you, the lovely cake, I got them to customize that for me from Mine Heart. And I asked them to do a little ombre for me because I didn't want anything too busy and crazy. I have a little bar cart here, some lovely drinks, and this is from Iran. It says Love Ishq in Farsi, which I thought it was perfect. The cute little balloon garland and flowers. I did an ombre again with my flowers. So starting with the white, pink, medium pink to red. How do you like that? I love it. And the macarons obviously are from the soiree. And this is pretty much what our table looks like. I just wanted to place some of the love or heart balloons around. Lovely backdrop. How cool is this? super simple, anybody can create, right? And when I was using the lovely backdrop, I wanted it to roll out under, so just so everything is consistent with my detailed shots. So let's say if I'm taking a photo from the top, it still looks consistent and lovely. Ignore the background because that's my white backdrop that I didn't want to use, and I want to trash that. But here's what it is. Okay, I know it was a short video, but I hope you guys got something out of it. I hope I was able to share some of my little tips and tricks that I've used in this photo shoot, and I will definitely show you guys more. And for my pop-up shop, I will do some flower design videos as well very, very soon. Have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. Thank you so very much for watching and being part of this channel with me. Subscribe if you haven't, it would mean the world to me. And like and comment and ask me any questions you may be having. I love you guys. Bye.